Hey everyone, Mark here, your Indition Form Builder Specialist, and with this video I will show you how to make a form in under 5 minutes. We'll go right here to the Create Custom Forms, click Create Now, choose a name, I'll label it Form in under 5 minutes. We can have it be, for example, business form, want it to have spam protection, and we can have the description say simple 5-minute, simple 5-minute form. Save that. So for the left side here, we have our elements. So we'll add our first name, last name, email, address, phone number, and a website where a user can get back to us. So we have first name, last name, email, address, phone number, and website. With the submit button at the bottom, click Save Form, Create Design. Takes us to the Create New Form design page. Want it to be a single page design. We'll call this one Basic Template. We want it to include spam, and we'll click the Save button. Then on the left side has all the different elements we added to the form. We'll click Add All Fields. In the meantime, while the form builder is loading everything, this is a great opportunity to let you know about our different plans for forms, contests, and surveys. We have 4 different options: a bronze, silver, gold, and platinum plan. There's no credit card required. Just fill out some information on Indition.com under the Forms, Contests, and Surveys tab in the nav, and you can get started with our free version today. It's that simple. Okay, now we have all of our elements in: first name, last name, email, address, phone number, website, our spam protection, and the submit button. We can go to the default styling over here. We can customize everything. Let's make the form width 600 pixels. We don't need a background color, border radius, any of that. Actually, let's just check it out first. Let's preview the page. And here's our form. First name, last name, email, address, phone number, website, spam protection, and the submit button. From here, it really just depends on what you want to do to the form, how you want it to look. We could change the colors, we could change the background, add more elements. It really is up to you. Everything is customizable. But hey, we built a form in under 5 minutes. Congratulations, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.